In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Telegram bot permanently. This method is quick, easy, and completely removes your bots from Telegram's system. Whether you created a test bot you no longer need or you're cleaning up old projects, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can do this on mobile or desktop, whichever you prefer. Once Telegram is open, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type @botfather. Botfather is the official bot created by Telegram that manages all bot-related functions, including creation, editing, and deletion. When you see Botfather appear in the search results, tap on it to open the chat. Once you're in the Botfather chat, look for the Start button at the bottom of the screen. Tap Start to begin interacting with Botfather. This activates the bot and allows you to send commands. Now, type the following command exactly as I say it, /delete bot. That's for delete bot, all one word, no spaces. Send this command to Botfather. After you send the command, Botfather will respond with a list of all the bots you've created under your Telegram account. Review the list carefully, then tap on the name of the bot you want to delete. This selects the bot and tells Botfather which one you're trying to remove. Once you've selected the bot, Botfather will ask you to confirm the deletion. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. To confirm, type exactly, "Yes, I am sure." Make sure to type it exactly as shown, including the comma and capital letters. Send the message. Botfather will now process your request and permanently delete the bot. Once the deletion is complete, Botfather will send you a confirmation message letting you know the bot has been removed, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Telegram bot permanently. The bot is now gone from Telegram's system and can no longer be used or found by anyone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this one.